G here from OG Creations. Happy holidays to you and yours. It's that time of year again. Purchasing gifts for others when you really want to be buying all the shit for yourself. So what better way to start the shopping season than with a video tutorial of my Winter Twilight brief, now available for purchase at ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I soak a white, 95% Moto cotton, 5% spandex brief in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes and spin them out in the laundry until practically dry. Using the Geode technique, I twist rubber bands in random patterns all over the fabric. On the dye racks, I cover them with Dharma Trading Company's dry dye powders in shades of peach, powdered pink, plum blossom, hydrangea, lilac, and nightshade. I top it with a layer of soda ash. Using a plant mister filled with hot water, I saturate each brief with mist and then set aside for 24 to 48 hours. I rinse them thoroughly in cold water and then run them through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. They are dried completely, ironed, inventoried, and then shipped from my dyed covered hands to cover your hairy ass. I just love this color combo. It simply makes you want a snowy cabin, a roaring fire, and someone to conserve body heat with. Enjoy your holidays with your friends and loved ones. Make memories, and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.